So in this video, I'll be discussing what are the steps in data mining process. Okay, actually, broadly, data mining process is two type. One is what is called data pre-processing, and then next one is what is called data mining. Okay, and before performing data mining for prediction, and you want to do what is called data pre-processing, and this pre-processing have some more steps. What are those steps are data cleaning. We'll be discussing every terminology in depth one by one, and then data integration, data reduction, data transformation. These are the the way by which you want to perform all those processing for making what is called data pre-processing, and then what is called data mining. Okay, so here the subtask are data mining, pattern evaluation, and knowledge representation from the data warehouse data. Finally, you want to achieve what is called knowledge representation for any particular purpose, and that is the ultimate final step of your step in data mining process. And actually, these are the 7 steps we are performing. Actually, suppose we are going for a raw database or data warehouse, we are performing the thing is called what is called selecting the data from the entire data for some purpose. That is your quantity of data may be larger, but we are making smaller data, that is a DB target data from the data of bulk. Okay, and it's supposed to pre-processed. Once you are performing pre-processing, and we are getting processed data. Okay, and so as per customer need, you want to transform the data whichever pre-processed, that is a DB transformation process here, and then with help of mining. So up to this we are doing what is called pre-processing. Now mining process taken place, and this specified data can be further patterned for the respective purpose here, and that is represented in this diagram here, and then finally it will be made as knowledge for representing for some purpose. And now we will be discussing one by one about what is called data cleaning. Data cleaning is nothing but, so you want to suppose we are taking some important data from collection of data. Usually among important data, some of the data might be missed. Okay, so in that case you want to insert missed data, okay, manually. Okay, so for that how correctly you want to insert? By introducing median. Okay, so from the collection of data you want to find out median, then we can find out what is the data missing. Okay, and then you want to remove the noise. That is another step in data cleaning. Next one is data integration, which means we want to merge all the data, and if it is multiple database or file or cubes. Okay, so that should be combined. So next you want to apply improve so why we need this data integration here? To improve the accuracy and speed. Thank you for watching.